making sure her mind and body are strong enough to receive it. Being daughter, sister, wife, mother, and sometimes father makes her seem untouchable to others. Afraid to break down because she's known for holding her own. Afraid to show that this strong black woman still has some growing. The outside stays polished, prepared for anything that comes. The inside seems irrelevant and stays hidden from the world. A world that constantly tries to break her race. It started with the white man's rape. Rape from our country, ourselves, and each other. We followed the pattern, not knowing any better. Strong black woman. 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 Strong black hoping to breed strong children with hopes and dreams. Working hard to keep her family away from crime and poverty. It's a weight that gets heavier as the years pass day by day. She gets down on her knees every night and pray. She looks for a strong black man to help get this weight off her back. Then realizes this weight is sometimes heavier, being a black man in America. Memories and the pain has been embedded in her brain. Even throughout captivity, she is the picture of strength, peace, and sensitivity. It is the strong black woman you see. Strong black woman. 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 Strong
Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome to our review session once again. Today we're analyzing our favorite pairs: US 100, US 30, and DAX 40. As always, we're going to review what has happened in the market throughout the day, and trades that we picked, trades that we missed, and what are the lessons and the takeaways that we can take away from these trades, right? So over here, what we got in front of us is NAS 100, right? So what we always do with obviously when we analyze our pairs, first and foremost, what we do is we identify the trend of the market. So as you could see here, price was in a consolidation phase, right? This was on the 5th, right? So this was on the 5th, the 8th, going to the 8th, the 9th. So this was until yesterday. Price was in the ranging zone, right? So price broke this level over here, pushed to the downside, and yeah, that confirmed to us the break of this ranging zone over here. So what next we need to do is, yeah, that signified a downtrend, right? Because it broke this trend, this consolidation area. So what we were waiting for is the break of this, which had happened, and the retest. So the retest wasn't very deep, right? But whatever yeah, even though it wasn't that deep, we still look for opportunities and see where we could identify places to enter the market. So as you can see here, this is on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, price also formed a little bit of consolidation area here, but bear in mind this was part of a downtrend, so we are sales biased to this point, but we didn't know when to sell or when to buy, right? So once we identify our trend, we identify areas of value, which is our support area and our resistance area. What confirms this is the rejection of a zone with weak candles, right? So as you can see, this is how price played out today. So price started, where did it start? So price started, yeah, pushed to the downside, it formed a little bit of structure. It made the support based off, I'd say, our 4-hour or 1-hour support. As you can see on this side, it's part of our support. Let's zoom in again. Then we can see it got to our resistance zone. It also rejected that zone and pushed to the downside, right? As you can see, going towards market open, we see price broke down, retested the zone and pushed to the downside, but we were going to wait for market open to execute the trade, so we weren't going to enter here. So even if the market went down and we missed it, it was going to be an opportunity missed, but this is what happened, right? So market at 4:30, you can see it push to the downside. We were waiting for the retest, right? Remember, it needs to retest the zone and push to the downside in order for us to enter into the trade, right? So this is what market did. It pushed the upside and it did not retest, pushed back into our ranging zone and tried to get to our resistance zone, which it battled to do that, right? So if we can go down to the 5-minute time frame, we can see how price has rejected the zone, right, in a more defined manner, right? Yes, price it pushed back up to this side, it pushed down, it came to this resistance area, and this was going to be the perfect sell opportunity over here, and you were just going to hold it and hope for the best. But as you can see, this trade played out to be a very nice trade. The gents did miss it today. But as you can see, this trade was a very nice trade. Let us see the short position. So if you did that, you put your stop loss above there, for example, push it down there, just there, and look at that. Look how beautiful that move is. 266 points. I mean, that's nice. That's a nice return. Yeah, that's a nice move, right? And we determine our TP based off this level here. It's either based off this level over here, or you can base it off base it off this level over here. Those are going to be your TP areas. So as you can see, nice, it was a very good move, and it's still moving very nicely. So US 30, here's US 30. As you saw earlier on, I did take advantage of this trade. Let me just delete these lines here. I was just managing my stop loss with these lines, so don't mind these lines all over the place. So let's go down to the 15 minutes. As you can see, also we identified trend of the market. Trend of the market since yesterday, it was ranging. It also broke past this level. It pushed the upside, and yeah, that confirmed the out of range motion, the market moving out of that ranging zone. So what we have to do is identify our zones as usual, our support, our resistance. How do we identify that? Through previous data, if it acted as a significant level, we can see this support over here acted as this resistance over here. As you can see, price try to hunt people out, if I could say. As you can see, these fake outs over here, these fake outs over here, this fake out over here, this fake out over here. So that's why it's very important for us to wait for the break and the retest in order for us to enter trade. So if we went through the breakthrough, you could see we would come out short over here, because the market was going to push to the upside, then pull back down, then we were going to be out of the trade. And this trade, this is how I took this trade on the 5 minutes. So I did see this trade in this area, consolidating in this area. So I was waiting for the break of this level over here to enter into the market. I did enter at 36255, and I entered here. I put my stop loss all the way to 36290, right? Then I just waited for market to do its course and do what it had to do. And yeah, as you can see, market just pushed down and it moved very nicely for me. This is how it played out. This is how it was. And I did close at this level over here, and as you can see, it's 166. It's a good risk to reward risk to reward trade, right? How much did I risk again? I risked about I think it was 75 rand over here, and I got about 475 rand. So yeah, that's a very good move for me. The next one is DAX 40. This DAX 40 is going to be very interesting tomorrow. As you can see, it's in this ranging phase, and it has been consolidating for quite some time now, right? What we're expecting for price to do tomorrow is break to the downside and push and come to the downside like it. But anyways, let's speak about what happened today. As you can see, price is coming from an uptrend in consolidation phase since last week, and battling to break this consolidation phase. As you can see, we've also identified our areas of value, so our support, our resistance area. How did we identify these areas of value? We identified it because this is where price reacts the most at these levels, right? So this is how market opened up this morning. So market opened up here, it got to this level over here, and because it rejected the zone and showed, if you go down to low time frame, and showed, where is it, and showed some momentum to the upside, this was going to confirm a buy entry. So this is what's going to happen if you went long. We did that, push the upside, and yeah, you're going to leave it like this or make your stop loss a little bit tighter than that, and this was going to be your risk to reward. This is going to be a very nice trade for you, very nice trade. As you can see, price is just playing within this range, so yeah, as usual, gents, I hope you guys got value out of this video, and please like and subscribe and tell other people about this channel. And if you did get value out of this, I hope you guys did get value out of this, and please put an input. If anything is missing that you'd like me to discuss, please mention it in the comments. And yeah, till we meet again, till tomorrow for our next review sessions. I'll check you then. Cheers.